Hi, my name is Demi and I am a home baker. So, are you a home baker just like me, or do you have a cake shop? Maybe you own a cake business and you're working round the clock and doing everything you can, yet you're not making as much profit as you would like, even though you're working so hard and the money is not just coming in and you're doing everything you possibly can. Yes, I have been in your shoes. Or maybe you are even making losses. There is a difference between not making enough money and making losses. Maybe you are making losses, yeah? So I would like you to know that customer satisfaction and profit making are not necessarily mutually exclusive. You can be making a lot of profits, yet your customers are not satisfied. And sometimes you're not even making any profit at all and you're working so hard and doing everything you can, yet they are still not satisfied. Not because you're not doing what you should, but just because you're making some bad decisions. So today I'm gonna help you because I can relate. Like, I have been in your shoes, yeah, working and going to school and not making any profit, even though I was working round the clock. So I can totally relate, and I am going to help you out today. Okay. I know it can be a very frustrating situation. It can be very frustrating and totally overwhelming. Sometimes it might even lead to you thinking about closing down the business for good. Like, you don't want to do this anymore because you feel like, how are others making profits? Why am I not making enough profits? Am I not working hard enough? Or maybe there's just something I'm not doing. You might just be taking some wrong decisions. The problem might not be you. So I need you to pay attention right now because I'm going to tell you how I fixed the problem. Yes? So, first things first, stop giving family and friends discounts. Yes, I know you love your family members and they've been supportive. They supported you to start your business, but you need to stop giving them discounts. That way your business can grow. And stop giving your friends discounts. Let them pay for the service you provide. Stop giving them discount if you want your business to succeed. And then number 2 is you want to charge enough for your services. Yes, you want to charge enough. You're working so hard and you want to charge enough for the hard work you are doing. So properly cost your ingredients, your miscellaneous, your everything you do, and decide how much you want to earn when you bake a cake, and then put that together, and do not be afraid to charge enough money for your product. Make sure you calculate it properly so that you will not be making any losses, and that way you will be smiling to the bank and you'll be making enough money to foot your bills as well as to expand your business. And believe me, customers are not afraid to pay when they know they are getting good services. Yes, so thank you guys, and follow me on Instagram as well as on YouTube on Cake Me Away _. And yes, I have about 120 free videos for you guys on YouTube. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.